Good day, everyone. So I am here again, teacher CJ, to teach you mathematics. So yesterday you learned about writing the amount of money. So today we will continue our lesson in our block 4. So we're still talking about money. So what are the bills can you see on the screen? Very good. So in our left side, we have the bill of 100 pesos. And the right side would be 50 pesos. So we have a question, which among is more? When you say more, who has the greater amount of money? Okay, very good. So 100 pesos is greater than 50 pesos, because if you will look at its number as the amount, 100 is greater than 50. So today we will talk about comparing money amounts. That would be our third lesson in block 4. So this would be our aim for today. We will compare amounts of money. Again, I want you to pause the video and write the following as our aim for today in your notebook. Aim, we will compare amounts of money. Time is up. I guess everybody is done writing our aim for today, so we will proceed with our activity. Count the money in each set. Compare the amounts in two given sets. Write the amounts and then use the less than, greater than, or equal symbols to show which is greater. Again, we need to count the money in each set. Compare the amounts in two given sets, write the amounts, and then use the less than, greater than, or equal symbols to show which is greater. Are you ready now to answer with our activity? Very good. So let's start with letter A. We have set A, set B, set C. So we'll start with knowing how many is the total amount of our each set. So let's start with set A. What are the monies you can see there? Okay, very good. We have one bill of 50 pesos and two coins of 10 pesos. So what would be the total of our set A? Okay, so if we will count them, 50 plus 10 plus 10, we got 50 plus 10, that is 60 plus 10, that would be 70 pesos. Very good. How about set B? We have two bills of 50 pesos. So what would be the total amount of our set B? 50 plus 50. So we'll skip count by 50. 50, 100. So in set B, we have 100 pesos. How about set C? Okay, so as you observe the following bills, we have three bills of 20 pesos. So we'll skip count by 20. 20, 40, 60. So we have 60 pesos in set C. So now that we know how many is the total amount of each in our each set, we can now compare the following in our activity. So let's have letter A. We have set A and set B. Before we can compare the following, we should remember how many is the total amount of our each set. So in our set A, we have 70 pesos and set B has 100 pesos. So what is the symbol for comparison is the perfect that we can use to compare the two sets. Okay, very good. So we will use less than. Why less than? Because 70 is lesser than 100. Did you got the correct answer? Very good. Now it's your turn to answer number 2 and number 3. So I want you to pause the video and answer the following set, enable for us to compare and find out would what would be our answer. Time is up, everybody. I guess everybody is done answering our number 2 and number 3 activity for today. So the first thing we need to do is to know how many is the total amount of our set A and C. So the set A has 70 pesos and the set C has 60 pesos. So what is the perfect comparison for these sets? Okay, very good. We will use greater than. Okay, because 70 is greater than 60. Did you got the correct answer? Good job. So let's proceed with number 3, set B and set C. First, we need to do is to write the amounts of our set B. In set B, we have 100 pesos. While set C, we have 60 pesos. So what would be the symbols that we can compare with these two sets? Okay, very good. Because 100 is bigger number than 60, we can say that 100 pesos is greater than 60 pesos. Good job. So I guess everybody got the correct answers. So how can we compare different amounts of money? So always remember, first we need to count the money in each set. Second, we will compare the amounts. And the third one, we'll use the less than, greater than, or equal symbols to show its comparison. So let's have a last activity. We have set A and set B. So what would be the amount of our sets? In set A, we have 2 coins of 10 pesos and 1 25 centavos. So what would be the total amount of our set A? Okay, so we will skip count by 10. 10, 20. And because we have centavo, the total amount would be 20 pesos and 25 centavos. While set B, there is only one bill, which is 20 pesos. So we will have a question, which is greater? Is it 20 pesos and 25 centavo or 20 pesos? Very good. So we can say that 20 pesos and 25 centavos is greater than 20 pesos because of 25 centavo in our set A. Now that you know how to compare money amounts or the total amounts in each set, I want you to get your workbook and open in page 22. That is seat work number 3, comparing money amounts. Again, you need to open in page 22 and work on your seat work number 3, comparing money amounts. After answering your classwork, you need to do your homework. Okay? Your homework in content book, that is page 41, practice questions 1 to 3. Again, page 41, practice questions 1 to 3. So that would be all for today. God bless.